Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to deposit or withdraw on crypto.com app. In order to deposit or withdraw on crypto.com, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to make sure that you already have an account and that your account is verified. Then to begin with, go and log in into your crypto.com, and when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So as you are logged in from the dashboard itself, you could go and see multiple tabs such as buy, sell, deposit, stake or pay. If you wish to go ahead and deposit the funds, you just press the deposit button. When you select the deposit button, it's going to show whether you want to deposit fiat or crypto. So select whether it's a money or a cryptocurrency and enter the exact amount, all of that, and confirm the depositor's address on all that, and you'll have successfully added the deposited into the crypto.com. And at the same time, if you wish to go ahead and withdraw it, you could go to the trade button located right at the bottom. Then you'll be taken to this field where you have to go and select crypto wallet. As soon as you select crypto wallet, you can see list of available assets. Go ahead and select the one, and then you could just go ahead and press the transfer button. As you click on transfer, then you'll have this option as whether to deposit or withdraw. So select the withdraw button and enter the exact amount of asset and the receiver's address, all of that, confirm it, and then you'll have successfully deposited or withdraw amounts into your crypto.com account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.